Go.
Hi, my name is Alexa Tan. I am 10 years old.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Rose. I am 11 years old.
Hi, my name is Chamara M. Blanco. I'm 9 years old. Hi, my name is Santia Panimar, 9 years old. Hi, my name is Hannah Pinong. I am 9 years old. Hi, my name is Maria Ashley Benevin Pasha, 8 years old. Hi, my name is Michaela Biakotner, 9 years old.
So today is Kokonim give you a allowance 100 each. Tagsa ikong katan. 100.
Thank you.
100.
Thank you. Maliin mo day.
100.
Thank you.
100.
Thank you.
This is your allowance of June. 100.
Thank you.
100. So, Sir Kokonim give you a allowance of each of you. So, thank you. Message na mo mga baday. Thank you for the allowance.
Thank you for the allowance.
It's really helped
It's really helped
me a lot.
me a lot.
I'm so
I'm so
grateful
grateful
for your
for your
support
support
and help.
and help.
Thanks
Thanks
for always
for always
having
having
our back.
our back.
So, motto mo ina mo thank you sa boyong sa name.
Boyong Sanem. Boyong Sanem, thank you. 감사합니다. Boyong Sanem, thank you. 감사합니다. Bye.
Thank you, Sir Kokonim.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir Kokonim.
Thank you,
감사합니다.
감사합니다.